Hello dear friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yesterday, one of my friends called me and said, I have received an email in which was written lundi, but she didn't know the meaning of lundi. So I decided to make a video and teach the days of the week in French. Subscribe and stay with me. If you want to learn better, listen carefully and repeat after me. We start with Monday. In French it is lundi. Lundi, Tuesday, mardi, mardi, Wednesday, mercredi, mercredi, Thursday, jeudi, louder please, jeudi, Friday, vendredi, vendredi, Saturday, samedi, samedi, Sunday, dimanche, dimanche, voila. Now it's your turn. Write down in the comment what is your favorite day.